Hello and welcome to another video of Power BI beginner tutorial series, and in today's video we are going to discuss one Power Query function which is List.RemoveNulls. So let's jump onto the Power BI. We want to go to Power Query. So under the Home tab you have transform data, and you will reach to Power Query. Now once we reach to Power Query, we would like to create a list and then wanted to do that operation. So let's create a list using new source blank query. We can rename this blank query as remove null, and let's right click on that and say advanced editor, and let's create a list. And in this list we need certain null. So I create a list 1 comma 2 comma null comma null comma 3 comma null comma 4 comma null in this manner, and let's say 5. Like this we create a list. Let's see how does it look like. So this list contains few nulls, and now time has come to do our next operation. So advanced editor, I can do directly on this list, or I can comma and enter and go into the next line. I say underscore remove, and I can create a function list.remove which is going to return me list dot. I can use a function list dot remove nulls, and under that it requires, first thing it requires is a list which is source, and this that's all only thing it requires, comma, no other argument, and it's going to remove certain nulls from there, and then it is going to return a list which we are going to return in the in, and let's see what happens. So all the nulls have been removed. So now this means if there is a table and we have a column with nulls, then it's going to remove that. Now is it taking distinct or not? So I go to the first line. Here I directly clicked on the source and the applied step, and I can edit it from here. Let me duplicate 2. So, and it's duplicated, and when I come out I see 2. So it's no distinct on top of it. But this gives me a good idea that if I have null values and I want to remove that null values from a table column and I want to create a new column, new list, and then I can convert that into a table, it should be able to help me out. So for that what I do is I go to the home tab and I go to enter data, and in the enter data let me create 1 2 3, and we have to take care that it should not be an empty space, that we have to take care, and 7, and let's call it list rm null. Let's try that out and say okay. We got this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove, right click on the duplicate, and then I'm right click on the remove null, and I'm going to duplicate that. So I get this null 2, and I right click advanced editor, and here I'm going to remove this first step. I only want the second step, and remove nulls I say list rm null. So I got the table name column 1. There's no space. Let's see, hopefully. So we got it without the spaces. So if you look at this table, it do have null, but we got a list of the values from that column as a list. And now I got a list. I can, another operation I can run if there are distinct required. So list.distinct is another operation I can run on top of it to remove the duplicate and create a distinct elements. And then finally I can say convert to table, and it will be get converted to a table, and I'll get a list as a new column from an existing column by removing nulls, and if required by taking distinct of it. So go ahead and try that out. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.